In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate calendar access in Zoho Calendar. If you work with an assistant or a teammate who helps manage your schedule, delegation is the cleanest way to let them see, edit, or manage your calendar without sharing your account. It keeps your workflow organized and secure, and you stay in control of exactly what they can do. Start by signing into Zoho Calendar. On the left sidebar, look for My Calendars and identify the specific calendar you want to delegate. If you use multiple calendars, take a second to make sure you've selected the right one so you only share the calendar you intend to. Open that calendar's settings. You can do this quickly by right-clicking the calendar name and choosing Edit. If you prefer, you can also go through Settings, then Calendar, then My Calendars, and select the same calendar there. Both paths lead to the same configuration page. Scroll to the section labeled Sharing and Permissions. This is where you control who has access and what they can do. Click the option that says Plus Add Individual. In the field provided, enter the email address of the person you want to delegate to. They'll need to use a Zoho account for the access to work properly, so make sure you enter the address they use with Zoho and double-check for typos. Next, choose the appropriate permission level from the drop-down. If you only want them to know when you're available, select View Free, Busy. This shows time blocks without revealing event details. If they need to see what each event is about, choose View Event Details. For someone who should be able to tweak or create entries on your calendar, pick Edit Event Details. And if you want them to fully manage the calendar on your behalf, including adding and editing events and even sharing the calendar further, choose Delegate, sometimes shown as Manage. Be thoughtful here. Give the minimum access needed to do the job and keep Delegate for someone you fully trust to act for you. When you're ready, click Share. That's it. The person you selected now has access based on the permission you chose. From this point on, they can view, edit, or manage your calendar according to that level, helping you keep appointments accurate and your schedule running smoothly. By following these steps, you've set up secure, precise calendar delegation in Zoho Calendar, making collaboration easier while maintaining control over your time.